All right, let's talk about quality control, right? It doesn't matter how great of a team you have. It doesn't matter how long they've been working with you. There's going to come a time on a project where they're going to miss something. Some people get complacent. Some people don't care because they have other job opportunities. But, most of the time, people miss things. It happens, and it's my job to regularly go on these projects. Just a real quick walkthrough, I don't mean I got to go there and, with a flashlight looking at every little detail. I just need to go there every once in a while, just do a quick look around, point a couple of things out here and there, and just to make sure that, nothing gets missed, or if it gets missed, that it's addressed immediately, so it's super important, man. Like today, I had a client call me telling me she's not happy with a few things. So I said, okay, no problem. I'll come by and I'll take a look. And, I always want to have my guys back no matter what, but I also have to have the customers back. So I went there, and you know what? The customer was right. There was a bunch of stuff that was missed, and it's unacceptable, The gentleman that's doing the project is excellent, has multiple years experience, but things happen, man. It's not his fault. It's not the customer's fault. It's just things happen. And that's why you need to have quality control, measures in place to make sure these things don't happen, or if they do happen, that they're addressed immediately. So anyways, went there, did a quick walkthrough, spoke to the client. I assured the client, I said, hey, listen, you're right. These things are unacceptable, and they will be addressed. We'll get it taken care of. Don't worry about it, So that's that. And then went on to another job down in Hope Sound to do a quick walkthrough, and, found a couple of things on there that was unacceptable. The customer didn't say anything, but I happened to catch it before anybody could notice it. Thank God I went there today, and good thing when I called my guy about it, because he had one of his helpers there working. So when I called, my guy, I said, hey, listen, I noticed this, and that. And he was like, yeah, I'm already on it. I just went to Home Depot to get different material, so it's right. And I was like, all right, cool, man. That's awesome. He's already on it, It's just important to go and check on these jobs. And, listen, sometimes I don't have time to get to all the jobs every other day. It's impossible. So it's important that, the guys that you hire are a little bit OCD. They got to make sure that these things are taken care of, and that they notice these things and they address it. I don't mind if I do a random pop in and I find a couple of things to point out, no problem. The problem is when they tell me the job is done, and then I come by and I see things that need to be pointed out. Because what that means is they're just trying to see if they could get over on me. That's all that is. That's all that is. Thank God the people that I have working with me today, that's not the kind of life that they live. They are dedicated to the 5-star quality that we provide our clients, which is how we built our reputation to this day. So that's it, guys. I just want to go over some quality control measures that we do take to make sure that we continue to provide a 5-star service. That's it. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share.